Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kanika from Kanak Jaipur, and before starting the tutorial I want to share some pictures of the people who have recreated my creations. So this is the candle holder which one of my viewers made, and she got inspired by my DIY mirror tutorial and she recreated her own design. So if you're recreating any of my DIY tutorial projects, then do share the pictures with me. I would love to see and like to post them here. So now let's get started with the tutorial today. I will be using these seashells today in my DIY tea light holder. And this is the circular MDF which I have already colored with the chalk paint Grassy Field from IMX, and I will also be using this tea light. So I have made one flower using the Floral Oriental collection from Dress My Craft, and just this is the paper handmade flower. Now I'm just placing over the things how I want them to be looked. Applied hot glue on the flower and now sticking it onto my base. Make sure that you are applying a good amount of liquid adhesive so that it sticks very well and doesn't come off. Now I am going to stick the seashells, and I am sticking it using my hot glue only. One quick tip is that whenever you are using hot glue and if you want to stick it permanently, make sure the glue is really hot and so it sticks very well. Also, I have colored these seashells in the color Grassy Fields from IMX, that is the IMX chalk paints I have used. These chalk paints are very versatile and you have seen me using them in various videos. Also, if you haven't checked the DIY mirror, I have linked that in the I button. Also, I have added the link in the description box. So if you want to know how I'm using the chalk paints, then you can watch my earlier videos, or you can check out my playlist, that is the DIY playlist also. Liking how it is coming out to be with some shades of yellow, some shades of green, as well as onto top of that it has the white. So if you're enjoying the video, then don't forget to hit the like button, and also if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you receive further notifications. Next, I'm taking up liquid adhesive onto my paintbrush. It is a strong liquid adhesive and I'm applying quite a thick layer of it onto my base. Onto this liquid adhesive, I will be using my Deco Stones Mini that are from IMX, and I will stick them onto it. I'm applying the adhesive on the places where I want the Deco Stones to get sticked. These are the Deco Stones Mini, and I will just randomly spread it over as I have already applied the liquid adhesive. So onto the places where the liquid adhesive is there, the Deco Stones will get sticked very well. Also, another tip I want to give you all is that whenever you are using the Deco Stones, make sure you keep your project in a box or something so that it is easy for you to recollect the stones. Also, you can use a big bowl so that it is easy for you to recollect these stones, as these are really very mini stones. And there we go, I have just completed another DIY tutorial. So this is how my tea light looks like. I hope you really like it, and if you're recreating it, then do share the pictures with me. I would love to see those pictures, as I have mentioned earlier, and I would really love to repost and show it to you all. Also, don't forget to participate in our crafters giveaway. That is, we are giving away 1700 rupees cash vouchers in goodie bags. So do participate. The link is mentioned in the description box. So thank you all for watching the video. Don't forget to use hashtag Diya and repost. See you until next time. Bye bye.